How do you use them? Okay, let's get into the hows. Start with one. I know this is silly. You're probably saying, Alex, I can handle 5 or 6. Lay it on me. No, start with one. Until you have that one where it's like a song, right? It's just like you can just groove with it wherever it is. It doesn't matter what you're doing, dishes, laundry, driving, sleeping, shower. It's just flowing in your mind. Then you add the other one. So, for example, I start out with I am strong. I am strong. I am strong. I'm strong. It sounded so boring. It sounded so boring. I was ready to quit. I was ready to quit, but I kept saying I'm strong. I'm strong. And once I got that down, I added I'm healthy. I'm strong. I'm healthy. I'm strong. I'm healthy. And it has to have a flow, right? So after about 10 days is usually when I notice. For you, it could be different. Everybody's different. Whenever you notice that you have that flow, start to add more to it. Okay. But don't make it too long. Make it more strong, but don't make it too long because the brain has to still process it, right? If you give it too much code at once, or if you constantly are giving it this much, it's going to go, it just takes longer. It's overkill. So don't overdo it, just the right balance. And then after 10 days, add another. Once you find your flow, move them around so they sound better for you. Like I made mine to where they kind of flow. I'm strong. I am healthy. I am brave. I am wealthy. Right. I am calm. I am confident. I'm courageous. I'm happy. Right. So like for me, it's a flow. It works in my mind. You can be completely different. Make it whatever makes your flow, whatever makes your heart feel good, whatever makes you feel good when you say it, however it is. Okay. And then feel free to add or remove and adjust things, but just understand that it takes 26 days for the changes to happen inside of that program. So if you have been saying it, 6 of them in a certain way for a certain time frame, and then you decide to add or change something, it's going to first of all take you about a week just to get used to that new flow. And then it's going to take time for you to kind of get back into that groove. So just keep that in mind when you start to edit them. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you know anyone who could benefit from the information in my videos, please share it with them. Thank you again and have a blessed day.